Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apple. For today's video, we're gonna be making the no-bake cake. For our ingredients, we need lava cake or fudgy bar, all-purpose cream, 2 packs, and condensed milk. Before starting, refrigerate all ingredients for at least 1 to 2 hours. I already combined 2 packs of all-purpose cream and only half can of condensed milk since the fudgy bar and lava cake are already too sweet. This is how the consistency should look like if we put it in the fridge and mix both of the ingredients thoroughly. As for our toppings, we're gonna be using nips or you can use any toppings that you like. This time we're gonna be unpacking the lava cake and the fudgy bar. Remove the thin paper on the fudgy bar and lava cake and slice the cake into half. Then line it up into a plate just like this and make sure that every part of it is full or filled with the cake just like this. By the way guys, the filling that we're using, the condensed milk and all-purpose cream, it melts right away, so you can go ahead and put it in the fridge once in a while just to froze it. The next thing is to put the filling on top of our lava cake. Spread it all over the cake until it's fully covered. For the second layer, I'm using the vanilla flavored fudge bar. Just line it up like this. Any broken spots, just fill it in with the vanilla flavor fudge bar as well. And then put the filling on top of it. Spread it all over until it's fully covered. For the third layer, I'm using again the lava cake chocolate flavored. Just lay it on top of the filling and then top it again with another filling. This time we have to also put the fillings on the sides of it until the cake is fully covered. So you have to flatten it out on the sides, just how you actually make your ordinary cakes. You can use a bread knife to flatten the surface of the cake just like this. I don't know how you call it in baking, but yeah, that's how you do it. See how it makes those lines using the bread knife? We're like a professional baker already. Just kidding. Now this is how it should look like, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge to freeze it, of course, because the condensed milk and all-purpose cream melts right away on open air. After 30 minutes to an hour, you can go ahead and put your toppings. For me, I'm using the peanut coated nips. You can actually use any toppings you like. And I'm putting happy because my son's nickname is Happy, and number 6 because it is his 6th month today. Now I'm gonna be slicing this cake so that you can see how it looks like on the inside. Since everyone is home quarantine and there are limited stores that are open, that is why I made this no-bake cake. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and of course, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon right next to it. Alright, so this is how it looks like on the inside. It tastes good, guys. Try it on your own, guys, and share it on the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!